Today we're going to be looking at not one, not two, but three new McDonald's menu items from their World Heist menu series. Are they any good, and should McDonald's bring more of these in the future? Also stick around next week where I review the other half of this menu. For starters, we're going to look at the McSpicy Pineapple all the way from Australia. Here's a first look at the burger itself. Love the presentation right off the bat. Looks like an actual burger. There's a bit of the ingredients in there. I'll explain a bit later. And there's the pineapple as well. Let's go for a quick bite. It is a bit difficult to hold because it is quite a large burger. But yeah, let's go for a bite. It's quite an unexpected taste. It's not what you expect a pineapple and like chicken to taste, but we'll get to that later. So let's have a closer look at the burger itself. We have the bun on top. We have the lettuce, pineapple itself. There's even a cheese slice there. Yep, a cheese slice. It's really delicious. Really good premium cheese as well. And there's the chicken. Let's have a look at the fries because these fries are different. They're the shake fries from Poland. They taste really delicious. Unfortunately, they didn't actually give me the shaking back so I can put it properly. But they were really cool. They had a great garlic taste to them. But let's have another look at the burger. We're coming back to the ingredients and the taste that I mentioned. This burger actually tasted really delicious. The pineapple, the chicken, and everything blended in really well. There's also mayonnaise in there. I've been eating for a while now, and everything really blends in deliciously. Like once you start to eat and the ingredients start to blend together, it has a perfect taste. So everything balances itself really well. Like you can really feel the great taste in it as well. And it doesn't feel overwhelming or like when you compare sweet and sour and all of these ingredients, they all fall nicely together as well, which is cool. The bun as well is really premium and nice to it. Sorry for changing locations. I had a really crazy work day and they kept calling me. But yeah. Okay, so let's have a look at the burger from the side. There's the lower bun, there's the pineapple. They do give actually a pretty big pineapple that covers the size of the burger. There's the mayo sauce. The cheese I think is finished by now. I'm gonna go for a quick taste. Yeah, it's delicious. Even after eating for a while, there's still a lot left, which is a great value for the burger. So yeah, there's the pineapple. I'm just gonna eat it right off the bat, maybe. So yeah, it's delicious. And the burger itself costs like around £6 ish, which is a lot, but you do get your money's worth for it as well. To interrupt you for a little bit, we're also going to review another McDonald's item. It's a pretzel ice cream. McDonald's has actually introduced this new sauce. I don't know if this is a permanent collection or if it's just with the shake fries I bought. We'll find out in a future video. But yeah, let's go for a taste. And they are also with those Polish salted ones, and they taste really nice. Like they both have a sweet and sour taste to them from those like chips or crisp that you have like at home. So they're really delicious as well. I don't know if McDonald's will keep them. I hope so as well. All in all, it was a really delicious burger. This is in the end. There's a little bit more coming up. But yeah, I would give this a 9 out of 10. I think it's still a bit pricey because for £5 it wasn't so bad. But yeah, I did get my money's worth out of it. So yeah, all in all, really great. And here's me trying some other sauces from McDonald's. This is the classic barbecue sauce. You can never ever go wrong with this one. And let's try it with these fries. Yeah, these garlic salted fries. It actually tasted really delicious, like the sweet and sour combination. Again, like the themes of this video has been sweet and sour, and everything has been really great. So all in all, an amazing meal. I really wish McDonald's would add more of these meals in the future from all over the world. But yeah, let's try the ice cream now. So yeah, all in all, I personally love this pretzel ice cream. Again, like it goes back to the theme of sweet and sour for today's video. But yeah, like it is an actual salted pretzel and it blends in really deliciously. So don't forget to stick around next week where I review the other half of this menu. And thanks so much for watching everyone. If you like more, please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps out the channel.